Greetings from Solved Gadgets. Are you ready to view the assortment of cool gadgets we compiled today? Today, we present to you cutting-edge robotic gadgets that you will want to buy. Let's move on to the video. This is JOOLA Infinity. Despite the fact that this robot is considerably more specialized, certain people will really profit from it. The gadget known as JOOLA Infinity serves as an excellent ping-pong companion. Naturally, there are numerous standalone systems that can mimic a ping-pong player by releasing the ball in an irregular manner. Nonetheless, because of its qualities, the JOOLA Infinity stands out from all of them. The specialists working for the US company JOOLA believed that this is what the designers of the complex, cutting-edge technology equipment were able to perform. 30 to 100 balls could well be released every minute by JOOLA Infinity. Its flying velocity may well be changed from 4 to 72 kilometers per hour. The gadget has a large operating angle of 150 degrees horizontally, 30 degrees downwards, and 50 degrees vertically, and can spin the ball simultaneously. As a result, the robot may challenge both amateur ping-pong players and even seasoned professional table tennis players by adapting to diverse playing styles. JOOLA Infinity will keep you entertained and help you develop and advance your table tennis skills. This is Chase Bot Droid. According to the creators of today's future gadget, this is a smart drone as well as a robotic machine. It features a sophisticated autopilot system and machine learning capabilities. The artificial intelligence technology enables the drone to learn on its own while completing various activities. The drone might well be operated by means of a computer or voice instructions. This robot will provide its operator with endless hours of enjoyment, however, it's capable of much more than that. It additionally possesses the potential to significantly broaden your understanding. The programmer provides 3 degrees of complexity, providing you the chance to understand how to develop program code. Although its superior stage, the Chase Bot Droid could link to other robots and toys that appear different and carry out an assortment of unexpected duties. It offers countless possibilities as well. All you are required to do is throw in some work and exercise your creativity. The prices will start at $55 and vary depending on the set chosen. This is Walker. Among some, the idea of coexisting alongside robotics machine in the future sounds extremely frightening, whereas other people have been patiently awaiting this event for a long time. In any case, everybody would consider today's premier robot to be incredibly fascinating. The Chinese business startup Optech Robotics is the one that created Walker. During the CES 2018 and 2019, the gadget was initially unveiled a few years back. The humanoid robot, known as Walker, is intended to serve as a user support system and best friend. Nonetheless, now let us begin from the commencement. Pay close attention to the robot's maneuverability initially, because that's what gave the robot its moniker. Walker won't be able to rush after you, although the creator claims that Walker can still track you. The robot maintains its equilibrium on its own, controls its own center of gravity, and includes a variety of sensors and systems that enable it to move swiftly and smoothly while avoiding any obstructions. The Walker has motorized hands as well, which it can utilize to pick up objects and move them from one location to another. The robot features includes a facial recognition system, so it can detect the presence of surrounding family members. Moreover, it has a variety of uses. Using a smart house as an example, the robot can effortlessly operate the lights, numerous electrical appliances, play musical instruments, and much more. This would also greet visitors, open the door for them, and help them take up and hang their outerwear. This gadget is known as Olly. This was created by London-based experts who considered the barriers that prevent robots from becoming a commonplace part of daily life. It was discovered that the robot's absence of a soul or personality, to use that metaphor, is its limiting aspect. They don't seem like humans to us, therefore communicating with them is challenging. These problems were taken into consideration when creating the Olly robot. Olly was created as a result of the developer's efforts to find a solution to this issue, and she can communicate with humans nearly exactly like a person. It deliberates and makes choices, seeks to make its owner's life better by posing inquiries. The robot in this video suggests to the user to increase the room's temperature while mentioning the health benefits of hot yoga. As soon as the woman gives her permission, it activates the smart home system and boosts the room's temperature. Olly can also give the owner compliments or make a music playing offer to lift their spirits. For greater sound, the gadget pinpoints the location of the user within the space and focuses the sound waves in that direction. Each Olly is a unique robot thanks to the robot's artificial intelligence system, which adapts to each owner. This allows it to engage with each person on a completely unique dimension. The cost of this gadget is $550. This gadget is known as Petoi Bittle. There are a number of solutions that are available on the market if you constantly wanted to build a robot by yourself. This incredible set by Petoi is available for purchase for $225. As a sort of three-dimensional puzzle, Petoi Bittle will keep you occupied for hours while introducing you to the fundamentals of robotics and programming. To put everything together and build a little but capable robot, you'll need to put out your best effort. Nonetheless, the outcome is unquestionably worthwhile. Petoi can maneuver around little obstacles and get back up on his own when he falls. The robot primarily comprises of 5 components: the body's framework, the electronics and actuator, both the software and the battery. A skilled individual can construct the robot from scratch in approximately 1 hour. After everything is done, you can have a ton of fun programming the robots and making algorithms to do all kinds of amazing things. A highly practical and helpful item is presented here. This gadget is known as ROCKUBOT. Designed to sanitize surfaces it moves across, ROCKUBOT is a self-propelled sterilizing robot with an inbuilt UV light. You may carry the device everywhere you go because it was expressly made to be portable. You may, for instance, sanitize your hotel accommodation and eliminate any bacteria and germs from the bed. The robot is made to be aware of the bed's borders and to turn promptly when necessary. Due to its small size and maneuverability, it could really operate even while covered in a blanket. The starting price for this gadget is $120.